All right, so a good line of best fit basically has three things that are going to happen based off this activity. The first thing is right here. If I'm using a straight line, what type of function should my data be?
Linear.
Yeah. So a good line of fit will match the type of function. So linear should use a straight line. If it's exponential, I should probably have an exponential curve running through the data instead. So you want to match with the type of data that you have. Otherwise, it's not going to be really useful. So that's our first rule. A good line of fit matches the type of function. The second thing, when you guys did this, the other ones that a lot of you guys picked up right away and said, no, those are wrong, are 1 and 5. And what did we say was wrong with 1 and 5 for using our vocabulary?
For 1 and 5?
Yeah. We even have it labeled right on here. Wrong.
Wrong slope.
Wrong slope, yeah. So a good line of fit should match the slope of the data. So you don't want it to be steeper than your data or not as steep as your data. So that's our second rule. It should match the type of function. It should follow the slope of the data. And the third thing was right here. So we had one line that was too low and another line that was too high. Where should our line be relative to the data? Not above, not below.
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle is going to be the best line of fit. So that's our third rule, is it should run through the middle of the data. So a good line of fit goes through the middle of the data. So this basically is kind of a checklist. So if you have a scatter plot, you draw the line on there, you can look at this checklist really quick to just briefly check your line and say, does it pass that test? Does it pass that test? Does it pass that test? If it passed all three of these tests, then it's probably a pretty good line of best fit.